Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Sanjan, local and long-distance movers near me. When moving long distance, you should plan everything carefully to make sure the process goes down smoothly. Consider getting rid of items that are no longer important to you, as this can help reduce weight-related costs. Discuss special packing or handling needs with your moving company for delicate or valuable objects. By working with 3 Movers, you can get one of our experienced evaluators to help you with the planning process. You will get assistance with the entire process and an accurate estimate. A local move is easier than any other kind. A smaller distance between your old place and your new place directly translates to a lower cost. If you want to keep those costs even lower, consider packaging up your stuff before contacting a moving company. You can also give away any items that you no longer need to reduce weight costs. If you don't want to do away with any items but don't have space for anything yet, we have storage options for you. To make things even easier, 3 Movers can help evaluate the best route to take and give you a price estimate based on the size of your household. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Sanjan moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.